Are you struggling to manage your blood sugar levels and tired of quick fixes that don't work?
Living with diabetes can be challenging, but a healthy diet is one of the most powerful tools to take control. In this video, we'll show you how to regulate blood sugar naturally, starting with what's on your plate.
Now that we've introduced the power of diet, let's dive deeper into why it's the cornerstone of diabetes management. Diabetes affects how your body processes glucose, which can lead to high blood sugar levels if not managed properly. According to the American Diabetes Association, diet plays a crucial role in controlling blood sugar and reducing the risk of complications such as heart disease, kidney damage, and nerve problems. The blood sugar threshold refers to the range in which your blood glucose levels should ideally stay to prevent complications. For most people with diabetes, the following ranges are recommended. Fasting blood sugar, 80 to 130 milligrams per deciliter. Post-meal blood sugar, less than 180 milligrams per deciliter. Hemoglobin glycated, less than 7%. How to adjust your sugar threshold. Monitor regularly. Use a glucometer or continuous glucose monitor to track your levels. Adjust portions. If your post-meal blood sugar spikes, reduce carbohydrate portions in your next meal. Consult your doctor. Your healthcare provider may adjust your medication or insulin dosage based on your readings.
Now that we've covered blood sugar targets, let's explore how meal timing can help you stay within those ranges. Eat within 1 to 2 hours of waking up to kickstart your metabolism. Include protein, fiber, and healthy fats to prevent blood sugar spikes. Aim for a balanced meal with lean protein, whole grains, and vegetables. Avoid heavy, carb-laden meals. Finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to allow proper digestion and prevent overnight blood sugar spikes. If needed, include small snacks between meals, e.g., nuts, yogurt, or veggies with hummus. Avoid late-night snacking. Space meals for 4 to 5 hours apart to maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the day.
Now that we've covered meal timing, let's talk about how many calories you need to fuel your body while managing diabetes. For weight loss, women generally need 1,200 to 1,500 calories or day, while men require 1,500 to 1,800 calories or day. These ranges help create a calorie deficit without compromising nutrition. To maintain weight, women typically need 1,600 to 2,000 calories or day, and men need 2,000 to 2,500 calories or day. Adjust based on activity level and goals. Use an online calorie calculator or consult a dietitian for personalized advice. For example, a moderately active 50-year-old woman weighing 150 pounds might need around 1,800 calories or day to maintain her weight.
Now that we've covered calorie needs, let's focus on the best foods to include in your diet to keep blood sugar stable and nourish your body. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini are low in carbohydrates and calories, but rich in fiber. Fiber slows digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes. These vegetables also provide essential vitamins and minerals for overall health. Swap refined grains like white bread and pasta for whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, oats, and barley. Whole grains have a lower glycemic index, releasing glucose slowly into the bloodstream. Protein-rich foods like chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes help maintain muscle mass and keep you full longer. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are especially beneficial due to omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, a key concern for diabetes patients. Incorporate healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Berries, apples, pears, and citrus fruits are ideal for diabetes patients. They're high in fiber and antioxidants with minimal impact on blood sugar.
While choosing the right foods is crucial, avoiding certain items is equally important to protect your blood sugar and long-term health. Sugary drinks like soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water instead. Highly processed foods like chips, cookies, and packaged snacks are loaded with unhealthy fats, sodium, and added sugars. These worsen insulin resistance and increase complication risks. White bread, white rice, and pastries break down quickly into glucose, causing blood sugar spikes. Replace them with whole grain alternatives like brown rice or whole wheat bread. Found in fried foods, baked goods, and some margarines, trans fats raise heart disease risk, a major concern for diabetes patients.
Here's a sample daily menu to help you plan meals effectively. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, whole grain toast, green tea. Mid-morning snack: Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds. Lunch: grilled salmon salad with quinoa. Afternoon snack: almonds and celery with almond butter. Dinner: grilled chicken, roasted broccoli and carrots, brown rice. Optional snack: cucumber slices with hummus.
Let's wrap up with a few practical tips to help you stay consistent. Balance macronutrients: carbs 45 to 60 gram, protein 20 to 30 gram, fats 15 to 20 gram. Use the plate method: 1/2 vegetables, 1/4 protein, 1/4 whole grains. Track intake: use apps like MyFitnessPal. Stay consistent with meal times. Managing diabetes through diet involves understanding your sugar threshold, planning meals at optimal times, and eating the right calories for your body. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods and following a structured plan, you can stabilize blood sugar and improve your health.
For those following a health-conscious diet, Naturem Glucose Guard is a powerful supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels, especially for individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. By reducing sugar absorption and curbing cravings, it helps stabilize energy levels throughout the day, while promoting heart health by lowering triglycerides and LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL. This expertly formulated blend features key glucose-regulating ingredients such as berberine, Gymnema sylvester, and cinnamon bark, which work together to improve insulin sensitivity and enhance glucose uptake. Hydroxytyrosol, an antioxidant found in olive fruits or leaves with effects on stabilizing blood sugar, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Beyond blood sugar management, Naturem Glucose Guard also helps reduce stress and anxiety, which can negatively impact glucose metabolism and overall well-being. This all-natural supplement offers a safe, effective way to maintain metabolic balance, free from artificial additives or harsh chemicals. Incorporating Naturem Glucose Guard into your wellness routine can complement any of the top-ranked diets, particularly those focused on heart health, diabetes prevention, and metabolic support, such as the Mediterranean, DASH, and flexitarian diets. Experience the power of natural herbal science with Naturem Glucose Guard, your daily support for balanced blood sugar and optimal well-being.
Don't forget to subscribe for more daily wellness tips.